Hi everyone, this is just a short video of the city of Cleveland at night. We just finished our dinner. And it's quite windy. Pretty windy and it's a little bit snowy. Jean is over there. Nice light. At night it's freezing and it's snowing.
Put down a little.
Down a little bit?
Yeah. No, up a little. No, up a little.
Huh?
Up a little bit. Move it closer to you.
Closer?
Yeah. Move your hand closer to you. Move your hand closer to you.
Huh?
Move your hand closer to you.
Closer to me?
Yeah. That's farther, mother. Closer. Like this. Yeah, there.
Hi everyone, look at this view behind me. It's a beautiful lights of downtown Cleveland. It's freezing cold and it's snowy a little bit here, so we just finished our food nearby, so we stopped by. So we're gonna go in our car now because it's freezing. Hi Jean. No, we can't really. We're here. We're gonna go this way. Just gonna show you a lot of seagull here.
I got snow.
Snow all over me. Hey everyone, look at all this seagull here. There's so many. You can see it. But yeah, look at all of those seagulls.